Hi Titas! Today's video is a request and it's about what's inside my bag. So if you're interested to know, just keep on watching. So yun nga Titas, some of my friends when we met last December, this is one of their requests na gawin, what's in my bag daw. Okay, so what I have here is a Kate Spade New York Cedar Street Maise Crossbody handbag. So it's in blush pink. This is how it looks like. Mukha lang siyang maliit, pero madami siyang mailalaman sa loob. By the way, guys, do you like my nails? Talagang sabog no? So, time out muna. Gusto niyo ba yung nails ko? So, ano lang to, sariling sikap, DIY lang. So, if you're also interested with that kind of video, just let me know. Actually, ang minimik ko dito talagang hindi puto na puto na po. It's a beige color. And ang ginagaya ko dito is something like this one. Ito kasi fake nails and this one kasi niregalo lang sa akin. So let me know if you want me to do a video on how to gumawa ng ganitong fake nails or mag-manicure ng sarili, do it yourself. So just comment down below. Anyway, going back to my bag. So this is again the Kate Spade New York Cedar Street Maise Crossbody bag. Ang haba. Okay, so sa sideline niya, nilagyan ko lang siya netong, ano ba to? So it's just a hand sanitizer that I got from, this is Bath & Body Works, but I got this one. So cute, no? Unicorn. I got this duty-free for $2.50. But, syempre, kino-convert naman nila sa peso. So, very handy. Nilalagay ko lang dito sa side. Okay, and then when you open it, because pag nakita mo siya sa side, di ba, para siyang palaki. That's why ang dami niyang pwedeng ilagay. Okay? So, ganito itsura niya sa loob, guys. Pagka-open mo. Okay? So, maayos naman siya. Sa tingin ko. So, madaling damputin. So, isa-isahin lang natin. So, I have here, first off, is my wallet, which is also Kate Spade. I just have there my cards and the picture of my daughter. Some receipts hanging sa side, and then I also have my eyeglasses. So ito reading glasses. This is, what is this? Kate Spade. Oh my God, makaspeak. Nagkataon lang guys, hindi ako, and this is not sponsored by Kate Spade. Okay, nagkataon lang. And this one is from walang brand, natanggal na. Okay, so ito naman yung aking glasses talaga. Far-sighted kasi ako. Tama ba? Far-sighted. Nahihirapan sa niya. No, near-sighted. Nahihirapan ako sa far. Okay? That's why minsan pag may malayong tao, hindi ko pinansin, akala nila hindi ko na sila kilala or sinupladahan ko sila. But in reality, hindi ko na sila makita. So this is, yan. Okay? So, this is for driving. Pag nahihirapan na mag-drive sa gabi, pag nagbabasa naman ako or nasa computer, ito. Okay? Mahirap ang tumatanda, guys. So, bakit daw hindi ako nagdo-doble vista? Mas mukha akong matanda. Okay. So, anyway, next we have here this cute pouch which has a Bible passage from 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9, which is, my grace is sufficient for you. Okay? And sa side niya, merong key. This is the key to my mom's house. Okay? And then inside, we have yung rosary booklet and novena to God's love, which I got from feaster kasi ako sa Bellevue, Alabang. Okay, so I attend the feast there, and of course my rosary, which is in ruby. This one I got from our church here in Paranaque, and gawa siya ng priest, so I love it. Okay, and then parish priest namin gumagawa ng guys. And then next we have here, sabi sa inyo alcohol. So that, o diba, napaka-germaphobe. May alcohol na, may sanitizer pa sa side. So, I love this scent. Ang bango-bango nito, guys. And then, power bank. Anchor. This is from my brother-in-law. Pasalubong niya from America. I think may Anchor tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Nakakita ko sa ATC. Okay, and then we have tissue and wet wipes from Sanicare. Sanicare, guys, yung brand na binibili ko ngayon kasi ano siya, biodegradable. So kahit mas pricey siya ng onte, it's friendly naman sa Mother Earth. And then we also have this 2020 planner. Actually, hindi ko talaga planner to. Dito ko lang nililista yung mga may utang sa akin. Charing! Dito ko lang nililista yung mga bago kong customers. And para alam ko ilang araw na sila gumagamit. By the way, kasi weight loss coach ako. Okay? So, actually, ang totoong planner ko ito. Pakita ko na rin lang sa inyo. So, this is from Belle de Jour. And then, I ordered this online bago lumabas yung... Basta, I ordered this online, tapos meron silang pa lagay daw ng name. Hindi ko lang alam ba't walang space sa name ko and surname. So, nilagyan ko lang ng charm. I forgot where I got this charm. Maybe sa Shopee. Okay, and this one, I don't know. I don't know where I got this also. Oh my God. Ano ba yan? Dami ko nang hindi maalala. Okay, so, anyway, this traveler's notebook, ito yung aking planner for this year. Actually, 3 years na yata. Running 3 years na ako nagta-traveler's notebook and nagbu-bullet journal. Okay, so let me guys know also if gusto niyo yung mga video on bullet journaling. Although lately, hindi na ako nagdi-design ng bullet journal. Very simple na lang. First is, hindi naman ako ganun ka-artistic. And next is, ang daming oras kinakain niya. But, bullet journaling is very helpful. Still, yung aking plano is, ako pa rin ang nag-design, but very simple na lang. Hindi na ako nagdo-doodles or naglalagay ng mga stickers, what have you. So, anyway, next. Break muna, guys. Wala na naman ang boses. Mapapansin nyo, isa lang yung suot ko sa previous video. It's because isang araw ko na naman siyang shoot. Okay. And kung napanood nyo yun, ililink ko dito. Kung napanood nyo yun, alam nyo, una may giveaway. Pangalawa, paus ako because kaka-allergy dun sa ashfall ng Taal. Guys, let's pray for our mga kababayan na affected dun sa Taal eruption. Okay, so anyway, going back, ang dami talaga siyang laman. Pero malapit na tayo matapos, guys. Meron ako ditong maliit na pouch. Dito ko nilalagay yung, meron ako ditong fancy na necklace. O, diba? Kasi minsan, nalilimutan ko lagi, pag umalis ako ng bahay, nalilimutan ko maglagay ng kwintas. And minsan, para akong feeling ko hubad. Usually, necklace saka earrings ang nakalagay dito, pero hindi ko alam nasa na yung earrings na nandito. So, anyway, next we have a pouch. Actually, sa daughter ko to, nihiram ko lang, hi baby, borrow ni mommy. Lalagay ko dito yung mga resibo kasi ayokong, minsan kasi yung wallet ko, punong-puno na resibo, hindi mo na siya nailalak. So, ayoko kasi ng ganon. So, kaya ko nga gusto ng minito ka slim na wallet kasi gusto ko lang siyang sleek and, you know, ayoko ng bulky na panay resibo lang naman ng laman. You know, guys, hindi ako naglalagay na madaming cash sa wallet. So, kung gusto mo akong hold upin, wala po akong pera sa wallet. I use debit card and a little cash. Walang credit card. I stopped it. I only have one credit card because, tawag dito, ako nung husband ko, siya yung main, whatever that's called. So, I usually use debit card or cash because may principle ako na if I cannot pay in cash, I cannot afford it, so I should not buy it. Okay, so, nagsisave din ako. So, let me also know, guys, kung gusto nyo ng ganong klaseng video, ng paano mag-save, blah, blah, blah. So, that is that. And last is last na ba? Hindi pa pala. So, meron ako ditong dispenser ng tea. This is the Herbalife tea. Nilagay ko lang dito. So, anytime, meron akong dalang fat burner sa aking bag. So, next we have my sunglasses. Sobrang luma na nito sa akin, guys. Matibay siya. Ray-Ban. And then, ayan, no, sira-sira ano siya. Ilang beses ko na rin inayos to. Nasira na, nag-crack na somewhere here, and then dinikit-dikit ko lang. But I just love it. It's very, you know, Top Gun. I'm sure yung mga bagets, hindi nyo alam yon. So, ayan. Kailangan linisin ang dumi na niya. So, next, we have here are my car keys. And, wala po siyang yung ginaganon. Hindi na siya ganon. Meron lang tayong key.
2,000 years later.
Keychain ng Fino. This was given to my husband by one of his clients, yung one of those hotels, but he gave it to me. And then, oh, meron akong pen. This is free nung aming stay sa Sofitel. So, ito yung nandito sa aking bag. And last is my Retouch Kit. It's not a makeup kit. Pang-retouch lang siya. So, inside the Retouch Kit is, whoop! Okay, alam nyo na yan, girls. And then, comb. This is goodie. And we have here a clip. Ito yung, may bukod password. Ito yung mahilig kong ilagay sa aking hair. Pag oh my gosh, ayaw mawala ng hair. Okay, I'm sorry guys. And then, meron ding ponytail for my daughter. Minsan, sabog-sabog na yung hair. I have here my favorite lip gloss. Nivea. Okay. So, hinahanap ko guys yung blackberry neto. I hope you know where to find it. Let me know kung saan. Kahit online, wala makita. Kasi nakita ko kay Jessica Braun. She's one of my favorite YouTubers sa Amerika. Saka si Emily Noel. Yeah. Yung Nivea kasi na ganito na blackberry. Guys, may tint na siya. So, you know, kung ayaw mo mag-lipstick at gusto dry skin kasi ako, dry lips din. So, ito kasi walang kulay eh. Or medyo light. Gusto kasi yung may tint na. Tapos sa parang lasang cherry. Cherry yata to. Strawberry. Cherry nga. Alright. And then, I have here my pangkilay from Vice Ganda. This is Vice Gandal Microbrow. So, minsan kasi nalilimutan ko rin magkilay or nawawala yung aking lapis sa pangkilay sa aking kikay kit. At least meron akong spare. Next, we have Shut Up and Kiss Me by, what is this nga? Happy Skin. Ito naman, ang ganda ng shade na to guys. Pang everyday, I don't know, nude na ba rin siya tawag? Kasi para siyang mauve. Pero dahil maitim naman yung labi ko, nude na din siya. And then, Anti-Acne Clearing Concealer. This is from Celetec. Kasi diba pag ano tayo, nagkaka-acne, ayaw natin minsan na naglalagay ng concealer. Minsan lalong na ano yung acne natin. So, ayan. Pang-conceal lang ng mga... Actually, kung bago pa yung pimple mo, maganda siya eh. Kasi, I don't know, may antibiotic nga ba to? Kasi I love this and I recommend this kung tagtigyawat ka and you don't want to put concealer sa pimple mo na buhay. No, pimple na basta yun, yung mapula-pula pa. So, ito, this works. And then, next, we have yung aking MAC Compact in the shade dark, medium dark. Hindi to, pressed powder pala to, hindi to yung foundation. Medium dark, and I hit pan already. Andito pa yung kanyang film to protect it. And nasira na yung aking and this is from the Face Shop. Alright, and then next we have two clips that I love to put on my daughter or minsan sa akin. Okay, and then next is yung perfume sample. This one is DNG Light Blue. Okay, so sample siya. Perfume dispenser, I got this from Glad King. And ang nakalagay dito is this one, yung aking favorite Jo Malone na cologne. And then, ang ginagawa lang nito, tatanggalin mo lang yung sa bottle niya. And then, sa ilalim, ayan, isasakto mo lang dito. And it will dispense the perfume here. I don't know if you can see it, guys. So, it dispenses the perfume here. So, nandito na siya. You don't need to bring a very big bottle anytime. Okay, so I think that's all inside my bag. My small bag, but fits a lot of stuff. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you want me to do. Just comment down below. And don't forget, ongoing pa rin yung ating giveaway. So if you want to join, watch the video here. And that's all. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Share my video. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.